Hello my friends, welcome. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. How are you today? Today we're going to use these beautiful colors to do a deconstructed bloom. Let me go over, this is a 10 by 20. Let's look at the colors. We have Liquitex Red Oxide. Now I have to tell you, this was inspired by Louise McKay Art. I was blanking out. I love her work. Thank you, Louise. The colors are just a little bit different, but she was my inspiration. So this is Liquitex Red Oxide. This is gold. It's half gold bright by Golden and half 24 karat gold. Here we have Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. We have Golden Cerulean Deep. And this is by Master's Touch. It's a beautiful pearlized carbon black. It's a dark blue, black, and it's pearl. It's very pretty. I'm already dripping. Okay, let me get these bottles open, out of the way. Now my pillow paint. This is what I always use, which is PPG Multi Pro. Trying to learn this technique, and it's a very difficult, I find, technique, but it's very but when you get one that works out beautiful, oh, it's beautiful. So let's hope this one goes that way. All right, our PPG Multi Pro. Let's go again. Let's go again. Don't stop until you're really happy with it. So our red oxide and our gold. Oh wait, that's not what I was going to do. All right. Well, that's not where I was going to put it, but that's okay. And our light blue permanent. Cerulean blue. Deep. And our pearlized carbon black. And our Prussian blue mixed with black oxide. Okay, we'll go here. A little more. It keeps moving on me. Stay put, my girl. It usually moves when I don't have it center. Light blue permanent. Cerulean blue. Pearlized carbon black, not carbon black. Yeah, pearlized carbon black. Okay, Let's go. Beautiful. I like that. Okay. And let's go again. Right here. Let's see if we can do it with no bubbles. Can we do it? Yes, we did it, I think, with no bubbles. All right, one last bloom. All right, I am happy with those. A few tweaks here and there. This dark here is a little too much. Let's see. I don't know if I should blow it or okay. Oh, that's better. Kind of broke some of that up. Every little thing will be enlarged when you spin it out. So if there's a really dark spot, it will be really dark there. And it will grow. I want some of that. That might come off anyway, but probably not. Let me see if I can blow into it. I don't know if that's cell activator or if that's the pearl. And this area over here is a little dark, though it will lighten up as I spread it out. So we might be okay. I'm not sure. So, well, let's give it a go. Just with a big, that one will come off. Okay, let me scoot it over so we can spin it out. Let me move the camera. Okay, Oh, that's looking beautiful. Hello, beautiful. I like that. You can see it's 3 different blooms, but it's just very, the lacing here is gorgeous. This bloom is gorgeous. I love it the way it is. What do you think? I don't really want to lose too much more. Got the orange on this corner. I think that's it. I think we'll stick with that. It's beautiful. I didn't stretch this one too much, and you know, because I was liking what I was seeing, and you have to go by what you see and make your judgment calls. This is so pretty, and then it just kind of, and the blue here kind of spread out. That's nice. I'm happy with it. So here's another one for you. I will get you down for a close-up. I'm very excited about this one. And God bless you. I will see you in the next video, and I'm going to keep learning this technique. Bye. I always feel funny saying bye. How else do you say it? God bless you. Blessings to you. Joy to you. Peace to you. Yeah, there we go. We'll end it like that.